Good morning, students. It's the 15th of May 2020, 8th class English lecture, chapter 2nd of our supplementary book, Children at Work. Yesterday, I have given summary to you of this chapter. Now, in this lecture, we will do NCERT based book chapter. There are many reasons why children have to work. Some help their family to make a livelihood. Others who run away from unhappy homes need to support themselves. Children who have to work can't go to school and play like other children of their age. There are many reasons why children have to work forcefully. Some children help their family in their livelihood. Others who run away from unhappy home. Unhappy means they were not feeling happy at their home, so they run away from their home and they need to support themselves, so they work. Children who have to work can't go to school and play like other children of their age. In this chapter, Value, an 11-year-old boy, runs away from home. He wanders around for hours before getting on a train to Chennai without a ticket. After wandering in his village, he at last boarded on a train to Chennai without ticket. He was very tired and hungry. He does not know where to go and what to do when a stranger at the station shouts a word of welcome. When the Kanyakumari Express pulled in at Chennai Center. Pulled in means reached. When Kanyakumari Express named train reached at Chennai, it took Value some time to get off. Get off means नीचे उतरना. It took Value for some time to get off from the train. Finally, he stood on the platform, but his legs were not feeling steady, so his legs felt wobbly. Wobbly means unsteady. अभी भी उसकी जो टांगे हैं हिल रही हैं, as if he was still on a moving train. ऐसा लग रहा है उसको कि अभी भी वो चलती हुई ट्रेन में है. ओए, out of the way, a porter went by with a loaded trolley. Porter means coolie. Coolie came near Value with a loaded trolley and asked Value out of the way. Value jumped aside. He sat on a bench on the platform with a small bundle of clothes. In all his 11 years, he had never seen so many people. He had never seen so many people in his life, except once a year at the fair in his village. Once people walked by, people were coming here and there, bumping into him. Bumping means striking him. Striking means टकराना, उससे टकरा रहे हैं with their suitcases. A voice announced something on a loudspeaker. A voice was announcing something on a loudspeaker, as it was a railway station, so we know that some announcements are on the railway stations. Near him, a group of people sat on their luggage, looking at a TV hanging from the roof. The persons were sitting on their luggage and they were watching TV that was hanging from the roof. The noise was terrible. Terrible मतलब भयानक, दर्दनाक. When Value put his head down on his knees, Value also sat down. By putting his head down on his knees, he was feeling miserable and exhausted. Exhausted means tired, miserable means having pitiable condition. उसकी जो स्थिति है बहुत दयनीय है और बहुत थका हुआ महसूस कर रहा है. He had run away from his village 2 days ago. He had run away, वह 2 दिन से अपने घर से भाग कर आया है. And he had eaten nothing, some peanuts and a piece of jaggery. उसने क्या क्या खाया है? थोड़ी सी पीनट्स खाए हैं और गुड़ हल्का सा. इन हिज बंडल एंड ही कैरीड और उसके पास जो बंडल है उसमें क्या है? आ शर्ट, आ टावल एंड अ कोम. ही हैड वॉक्ड फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ द फर्स्ट डे टू कैनूर. वो अपने गांव से कैनूर डिस्ट्रिक्ट तक आया है. देन got on the train to Chennai. Value had no money for a ticket, but luckily ticket collector did not come to the unreserved compartment. He was sitting in the unreserved compartment in the train, so luckily ticket checker did not come to check his ticket. So he had tried to sleep on the floor near the door. A group of men next to him had played cards and shouted all night. He had tried to sleep on the floor near the gate of the train, but some persons were playing cards there and they were shouting whole night. "Hey, what new to town, hey?" called out a rough voice. Now he was thinking all these things in his mind. At that time a rough voice came to his ear. "Hey, what new to town, hey?" Value opened his eyes. At that time, after listening this rough voice, Value opened his eyes. There were a lot of people standing around, but nobody was looking at him. There were lot of people around him, but nobody was looking at him. Here he turned around. Again he was hearing the voice, so he turned around. Behind him was a girl around his own age, wearing a long banyan that came down to her knee. A girl named Jaya came to Value and asking about him, his name. Her hair were stiff and brownish and she had a huge sack to one shoulder. और उसके जो एक कंधे पर क्या है? बहुत बड़ा थैला. She was picking up dirty plastic cups from the floor and stuffing them into her sack. क्या कर रही है वहाँ से? वो dirty plastic cups को collect कर रही है फर्श पे से और अपने सैक में फिल कर रही है. Why is she calling me? Thought Value. Value was thinking that why she is calling to me, and why is girl wearing a banyan? No need to stare stupidity. What is your name? So girl asked Value his name. Value muttered means spoke slowly. Value spoke slowly. Value looking away. So Mr. Value, said the girl, looking at his bundle, run away from home. After that Jaya looked at his bundle and asked from him, "You run away from your home?" Value didn't answer. He didn't want to tell some strange girl what he had done. Value was feeling hesitation, so he does not want to tell something to that girl. He had run away because he could not stand his father's beating him for one more day. His father would snatch away all the money Value and his sisters carried and spent it on drink. Don't I think? I don't know. This place is full of children like you. Now Value was thinking about his family, how his father beat him and his sister daily and snatched away all the money they earned. So he was thinking, he was just thinking, he was not telling that, talking to Jaya. And Jaya said to him, don't think I don't know. Jaya said that I know all things. This place is full of children like you. So what are you going to do here? Become rich? She sat down next to him. After that, Jaya sat next to Value and asking from him, you are coming here for becoming rich? Value shifted away slightly. Value shifted from that place slowly. He was feeling hungry. His hunger was pinching him and pressed his stomach with a grimace. Grimace means twisted expression on the face due to pain. Hungry, asked the girl. Jaya asked, are you hungry? You won't get food by sitting here glumly. Glumly means sadly. कि तुम यहाँ उदासी से बैठे रहोगे तो you are not getting food. Making faces, I can find some if you want. अगर तुम कहोगे तो Jaya wanted to find some food for Value. She picked up her sack. Then she picked up her sack, her bag को उठाया and started to walk away. Value stayed on the bench. What should he do? Value was thinking कि what should he do? Should he follow the girl? Where was she going take him? She was disappearing into the crowd because there were many people. So he had to make up his mind quickly. So Value had to decide quickly what did he should do. All right, he decided, anyway, I have no idea where to go. He jumped up and ran after Jaya. She wasn't even looking back to see, and Jaya was not even looking back to see where he was. Value follows his friend through the crowded streets to a big building. Behind the building there is a big garbage bin. Value wonders why they are there at all. He caught up with the girl. She was leaving the station. When they got on the road, Value found that vehicles kept coming and never stopped for anyone. Smoke and dust flew at him from all sides, making his head spin. They had to wait for a long time before they could find a gap to run through. Value kept hesitating, and the girl finally dragged him to the other side. Means there were much vehicle on the road, so it was not possible for the Value to cross the road. At last Jaya pulled his hand and crossed the road. What do you think you are doing? Grazing cows? If you stand around in the middle of the road, then like that you will be chutney, means you will be crushed. If you will be in the middle of the road in that way, then you will be crushed. Means Jaya was a very smart girl, but Value was feeling hesitating because he hadn't seen such type of traffic and people in his life except a fair in his village. What do you think you are doing? Value heart was still beating fast. He looked back at the central station and the traffic speeding by. How had they managed to come through that? They walked along the side of the road under some huge signboards. Value looked up at the pictures, banyans, car tires, pens, a woman holding a box. The writing was all in English, so he didn't know what it mean. At that time, Value was looking at the signboards and pictures, but the writing was all in English, so Value did not know what it meant. The girl turned onto a wide bridge and walked up. Value stopped and peeped over the railing. Under him, the road ran into the city. In the distance, he could see huge buildings and towers and more roads. Then the girl turned onto a wide bridge. Then the girl turned to another side on the wide bridge and walked up. और उसके ऊपर चढ़ जाती है ब्रिज के ऊपर. Value stopped and peeped over the railing. After that, Value stopped for some time and peeped over. Railing से झांक कर देखता है. Under him, the road ran into the city. नीचे से जो रोड है वो सिटी के अंदर जा रहा है. ऊपर जो है ब्रिज बना हुआ है. इन द डिस्टेंस ही कुड सी ह्यूज बिल्डिंग्स एंड टावर्स एंड मोर रोड्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, it's all for sufficient today. Now you also read the chapter from NCERT book after seeing this video. Okay, thank you students.